Uh, Good morning, students. Now we will move on to the next figure. So this figure is available in the syllabus. So you can take this as next third figure, that is figure number 3. In this we have to draw front view, top view, and left view also. So first we will draw front view. So in front view, when you see from the front, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ front view ನಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, this area is visible, right? So this line, so it means 120, and afterwards above 20, left it is 30 mm, and top again it is height from here to here it's 45, means from here to here it is 20, means from here to here it is 25, and again to the left it is 5 mm, and downward at an angle of 90. And similarly on this end also, from here to here you can move with height 20, right hand side 30, top 25, right side again 5, and downwards with an inclined line. First we will open this. Okay, so again I will start this, cancel. So I will take a previous sketch that is available desktop, open this folder, take a figure, this is available, right? So I will take it as a copy, CO enter, I will copy this figure, edit it, edit, enter. So I will edit it as 3. Okay, so now we will start. So please concentrate here. Front view is there, top is there. Front view means we have to draw the figure on the above line, and top view means we have to draw the top views on the below line, below XY line. And left view is there, this time left view is there means I have to draw it on the right hand side. This is what we can call it as a first angle projection. Therefore in the front view the length is 120 mm. Length I will take as 120 mm. So I will take L, enter, click on this. Ortho should be on 120 is a length. Okay, so sorry, I have drawn 12 mm. Take L, enter, click on this 120 mm. Okay, so afterwards, after 120 I have to move to the top, that is 20 mm, correct? 20 mm, type 20 and enter. Sorry, Control Z, L, enter, 120, 120, and above it is 20 mm, 20 mm. Okay, and afterwards from here to here is 20, from here to here it is 30 mm. I have to take 30 mm, enter, and afterwards from here to here height is, total height is from here to here it is 45, whereas from this point to this point is 20, means 45 minus 20 will give you height of 25. This line height is 25, so this line is 25 mm. Okay, afterwards, after that from this point to this point is 5 mm to the left. So 5 mm to the left is ready. Okay, so you can escape it 2 times. Again you can move from left to right. This point from here to here height is 20, right is 30, up is 25, correct? I will take line command, L, enter. This point is selected, height is 20 mm, and right side is 30 mm, and above it is 25 mm, and the right side again it is 5 mm, right? So now it is ready. So afterwards, as I told you, center axis is very important. Now I will take a line command, L, enter. So where is the center line? Center line is here, so I will take center line up to this one. Okay, so I can draw one small line, L, enter. I can extend it because we need to show that center line is longer than the object. Therefore I can erase it, extended and erased. So what I should do, I have to draw a line in such a way that it should be at an angle of 90 degree. So inside angle is 90 degree, means, so let me draw one side line. So line should be, it is something like a triangle, 20 mm. I will show you just an example. Okay, so 20 line. So here again I will take a line command. I will draw this at an angle of you can ortho is off, you can take at an angle of 90. So it will become sorry, line command you can take. So you can take a ortho 20 line you can take. When you rotate it, when you rotate this line, what you are getting, ro command, and rotate this line from this point. Enter selected object, enter. From here to, it should be rotated, ortho should be off, so it should be rotated like this, correct? So what I will do, I will take 90 degree or 45 degree. I have to take 1 minute. I will take 45 degree. See, it is going on the right hand side. Make a control Z, again take ro command, rotated command. Okay, afterwards select this object, enter it, and from this point minus 45 you can take, minus 45, it means reverse. Look at this, correct? Similarly, one more line you can take, line command, you can take a length of 20 Now I would like to rotate it, so again you rotate it. So what you are getting, so rotate, select object, enter it. From here it should be 45 degree, correct? I will tell you later why it is 45 degree. As you know that, dear students, please concentrate here. I have trimmed it. As you know that in the dimension, angle is angular. So from here, this to 1 minute, escape it. Take a dimension angular from this line to this line, inclined line. The angle included inside the angle, interior angle is 90. In this in between this line to this line, 90 degree means what about these two lines? This is 45, it should be 45. Why? Because interior angles, sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 45 ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು 45 ಆಯಿತು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್, ಇದು ಒಳಗಡೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಬೋವ್, it should be 45 only. So simple technique I will take, okay. I will draw one line, here. Okay, I have drawn one line. I am rotating it at an angle of 45 degree. Take ro command, so I have selected this line up to this point. I would like to rotate, so make it ortho is off, rotate. Okay, so in this I have to rotate at an angle of minus 45 degree, correct? So this is a minus 45 degree. And again one more line I would like to draw, line, enter. I would like to draw one more line here. It is ready. Now I would like to rotate it. So this I have rotated, selected object, enter it, and up to this point I would like to rotate. So here it will be again minus 45. Why? Because, sorry, control Z, I can take ro command, select it, 45 degree rotation angle. Okay, so selected 45 degree. Look at this. So afterwards you can make a trimming of this. So now you can check what is the dimension angle. So in between, from here to here, it is 90 degrees ready. Is that correct? So I can change the center axis also. I can change this center axis. How I can change? Using a match property. Selected object and click on this and change it. Sorry, I will select this, I will select it, afterwards match property and click on this. Okay, so I think you have understood. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಗಳ ನಾವು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ 180 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದು 90 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇದೆಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 45 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದೆಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 45 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರೇಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, so here front view is ready. In this front view is ready, so afterwards you can make a dimensioning. You can dimension it. Take a dimension command, linear, from here to here it is 120. You can move it further downwards 120. Again take a dimension command, from here to here I will take ortho on 30, and from here again dimension command 5 mm. And what else is required? This height is required, no? From here to here it is 20, and again according to the figure, from here to we have to take this dimension as 45 is ready, correct? So according to the figure given, I have drawn all the dimensions. This 120 is over, 30 is over, 20 is over, 45 and 5 is also over. Now we have to concentrate from the top view. In the top view, please concentrate. This is looking like a rectangle. This is also looking as a rectangle. This edge you can take it as a rectangle. It is also looking as a rectangle. ಇದು rectangle ತರನೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದೊಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ಇದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ rectangle ತರನೇ ಕಾಣ್ತವೆ. All these will look like a rectangle only. So therefore straight away, what is the width? What is the width? 45 is the width, correct? So I will make offset of this. I will make offset of this because length is 120. Offset around 40 mm. I will offset it, 40 mm offset. So afterwards, what is the width? What is the width? 45 mm. So I will take line command, L enter, 45 mm length. Afterwards 120 length, and here also 45. So in this figure we have to take reference lines. This line is required, this height. Okay, so what I will do, simply I will take a reference of these lines. Straight away I will draw line command. So from the top you can draw a line. This line is required. Okay, here also it is required. Again take a line command, click on this edge, again one more line, it is also required, and this line is also required at the center, because again here also it is required. Very simple to draw top view. Take a trim command, trim it, trim it, everywhere you can trim it. So that, erase it, sorry, 1 minute, Control Z, because inside there is one more line, it is not visible to you. Okay, you can click on this, erase it. Okay, so as you know that, see from the top, when you view from the top, this looks like a rectangle, this is also rectangle. Let me change the color of the dimension. I have selected this and go to match property and click on these dimensions. Wherever the dimension is there, it will be changed, the color is changed here also. Okay, now you can see the actual figure. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನಿದೆಯೋ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನಿದೆಯೋ it looks like a rectangle here. So we have drawn front view, top view also. Sorry, here in the previous figure I have to mention the front view and top view also. I will take a copy, ortho is off, I will copy, again I will copy it here. So top view is required, I will take a copy, again enter it, click on this, top is ready. Okay, so this is how you can do. So one more dimension is required here for this figure, 45 mm we have to show. And you can change the color also. You can select this, go to match property and change the color. Dear students, now we have drawn a line. Sorry, we have to draw one line here, this line. Afterwards I will draw one more line. Okay, side view. In this figure, as you know that left view, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಎಡಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಬಲಗಡೆ ಅದು ಚಿತ್ರ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to draw the left views here. So what I will do, simply I will take a reference line from here to here. Okay, so from this end I have to proceed. As you know that what is the width, 45 is visible. Okay, so 45 mm width is visible. So what I will do, straight away I will draw line, command, click on this 45 mm. Okay, afterwards this reference line you can erase it, because this base should be in line. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಒಂದೇ ನೇರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this line is not required. I will erase it. I have erased. Okay, so 45 is ready. Afterwards what is the total height? Total height is 45 mm. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ height 45 ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. So you can take 45 height, length L, enter 45 mm, and total width is also 45 mm, and below also it is 45. So you can take reference lines also. It is very easy to draw side views. You can take a reference line here to here, you can draw. Here also one more is there, it is also coming in line. Okay, so afterwards what else? So when you see from the left, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So 20 mm step is there. So 20 mm step we have drawn. ಇದು ಒಂದು rectangle ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತು. And afterwards this is also looking like a one rectangle at a height of 45 mm. So it is also ready, correct? So that it is a 45 height is from here to here, it is a 25. It is also ready. So afterwards what I can do, I can trim it. I will trim it. So erase it. So it is ready. So if you want to make a dimensioning, you can dimension, or others you can leave it simply. Why? Because we don't require this. So actually I have to draw the dimension. This dimension is not required on the top. Erase it. So I will take a dimension here. I will dimension for the, if you make a dimension here, no problem, you can do, but for a perfection I will draw this one. So again take copy, CO, enter. Here I will move somewhere in the below. Erase it. Okay, move and edit it. Select this side view or left view. In bracket I can write it as, it is also side view. Okay, so it is ready, left view or side view. Dear students, this is a third figure I have drawn. So I will make a partition of this. You can keep like this. Okay, you can keep the partition. What I will do, I will make a partition of this. Okay, so figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 all are ready. So I will move it further downwards, move. Okay, so this is a figure number 3. So I hope you have understood this. Thank you very much for watching.